Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this look for you going on. I'm really trying to work on my cut crease, so I'm not gonna chat too much now. We're just gonna get straight into the video. Hey guys, so I thought I'd change things up a bit and do a few voiceovers in this video. I'm going to start things off with my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and I'm going to head in on the shade Fired Up. I'm just going to place this shade on the crease of the eye, and when I know that most of the product is off the brush, that's when I'll use small circular motions and start bringing it up towards the brow bone. I really wanted to use a bright yellow matte shade just to go below the brow bone, but I couldn't find one. So what I've done is I've used the shade Nightmare from the Makeup Revolution Beautiful Darkness palette, and I've mixed it with the shade Stroke of Luck from the Boss Mood palette to create more of a bright yellow shade. I'm now taking the shade Red Carpet and I'm going to put that in my crease and blend it out, not quite as much as I did with the orange shade, just so I can create a bit more depth in the crease area. I'm now going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid. This will then create the base so I can put colours on top of it that will make them pop even more, and it will also make it look more defined. I'm now going to head in with the shade Confidence. I'm going to place this on the outer corner of my eye. The next shade I'm going to use is Bright Eyes, and I'm going to place that on the inner corner of the eye and bring it to the centre so it meets the other shade. One spritz of fixing spray to the brush, pop it on the colour and place it on the eyelid, and you can get that really intense shade that you're wanting. This shade is called Pop Star. I'm going to place that right in the centre of the eyelid just to get that bright pop of colour. I'm going to head back in with the shade Red Carpet, and I'm going to place some more in the crease of the eye just so you can get the depth of the shade, and then I'm also going to place it on the under eye as well. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Now the camera will cut out just as I start doing this. which isn't a bad thing as I'm not the best at eyeliner, but I'm practicing, guys. These are my holy grail lashes, and they're the Baby Demi Wispies by Ardell. I've been trying out a new way to apply my foundation and primer by mixing them together, and I'm finding that it's given me a better overall finish on my foundation. This is the I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Highlighter. It's a beautiful highlighter that's got little specks of glitter in it. Okay guys, so that's the finishing look that I've got for you today. I really am trying to work on my bright eye look. These orange shades have been jumping out at me in that Morphe palette, so I was really happy to be able to use them today. So I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please remember to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, please remember to smash that thumbs up button just down below and give me a quick little comment on the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it and whether or not you've got the Morphe Boss Mood palette, because it is really my favourite palette at the moment. Head over to my Instagram channel, which is just by there for you. I do try and upload on there every day, and I like to put questions and polls up on my story as well. And also head over to my Twitter account, which is just by there. And until next time guys, take care.